Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add English subtitles to your videos using the auto caption feature on CapCut PC. So you are just going to add your video to the track, and then you are going to select text. You are going to select text, select auto captions, and select the language and select create. There's only a few options though, but for this one we're going to select English and we're going to press create. Let me just turn on the volume. And depending on the duration of your video, it takes longer if, well, your video is like longer, of course, but it doesn't take that long. It just takes like minutes compared to like a shorter video which takes like seconds to do. But as you can see, it will add in the text for you. You can also edit the text here. If like the auto caption doesn't correctly detect the words that you're saying, you can even add in another one here if you'd like to. I'm just going to delete that, or you can delete a portion of the caption if you want. You can also change the font and the font size if it's too small. Like here, you can also change the font as well, and you can add in some styles. You can add in like kind of like a background behind it so the text, the subtitles are clearer. Also apply to all if you want everything to be the exact same, like font size and whatnot. As you can see, there's like double this like go, so just delete the text and like edit it as you go. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!